Okay, hello guys again, welcome to my third video tutorial. We will be finishing our front panel, but because I'm publishing third video tutorial, in my previous video I just was modeling the same object, but now we will be focusing on finishing. I just have to check this. When you cannot rotate easily, use F button to zoom in. Sometimes you have troubles when zooming in, zooming out. Check your option which is related to not clip. Do not change clip, because this causes your knife tool to fail. It creates duplicate vertices. Just use lens. I regret that this is not exactly the same like in previous maps. Lock to cursor, so you can rotate where your cursor is. But I don't know how to move cursor in edit mode. Okay, Ctrl A. We have to smooth this object, not vertices, faces. But after having this, we can use. No, we will do it when we finish. When we finish to edit this, turn subdivision off, turn limit selection on, because you can cut extra edges here, so your new edges will line up to those edges. You will be able to cut exactly here. Oh no, I will have to. No, I have to cut to this. Why to this point? Because I cannot line up edge to view. Now I could line up, so I can cut exactly in this place as it is shown. Oh, I have to make sure this is exactly as I want. What I'm doing? Okay. Because I can use different option. Too many objects. Or it lines up almost. So I can just add edge. Switch to point view, or if you don't see new created edges, you can select edge loop. You can use option mark seam. When you use mark seam, your edge will be selected to orange color. Oh no, it didn't weld properly. Merge at last. I have to make sure my polygon is created properly. Always turn subdivision surface on to see if there aren't any overlap vertices. Oh, okay, I have to slide couple vertex a little bit more. No, this is not okay. Now it's okay. Okay, we have beautiful frame car. I will check my subdivision surface, but edges are not sharp. I will use save, always save your project and revert and save again. See, you have no history inside your project. Ctrl A, edge, loops, Ctrl A, mark, seam. When you do this, your object will be, texture will be unwrapped properly. Ctrl A, edge, loops, Ctrl A, mark, seam, Ctrl A, edge, crease. Edges will be sharp. Ctrl A, edge, loops, Ctrl A. It looks beautiful. This is what we wanted. I don't know what about blueprint, because blueprint does not show me how this looks inside. So I was trying to guess. It is little bit uneven, so you have to, what we can do, use knife tool and Z, turn on limit selection, make sure your pivot is set to local and turn this on, projected to D. When you hold by left mouse button vertices and by middle mouse button you change this. But my mouse, I don't like my mouse, is really annoying. I should really add more edges. Something which I don't like. No, I hate this mouse. I have to buy new computer mouse because I'm using old mouse. I cannot really use a roller. I have to buy new computer mouse because this is mouse which is getting old. When you have this issue, just switch to median point. Wait. Why is not selected like this? Oh yes, I understand. Not normal local. Active element. Bounding box. No, I shouldn't really have this issue. I just wonder. Yes, I understand. I think I have to set origin to geometry. But my cursor doesn't line up with vertices. I have to find out how to move I can also check these settings. Texture space. I did not see this before. How to turn this off? What is this? manipulate certain points. Individual origins. Media. If I use the median point, I still cannot grab points in that way. I need to check something. A texture space was turned on. I don't need this for a few seconds. Okay, we have our car frame. I have to find out how can I move this pivot in edit mode. In Autodesk Maya. In Autodesk Maya is possible. You just hold D and V button in Maya program, but in Blender seems to be impossible. I don't know shortcut keyboard for quick changing pivot in edit mode. In soft image was possible in Maya, but soft image I don't use because soft image was discontinued. I don't know if they spell soft image or soft image. Oh, we have our... Okay. Front window, car panel. Okay, this is our object, not finished yet. Now we have our car still not finished, because I prefer to create from separate parts. Oh yes, I just cannot still edit this color, because this is car paint. Oh, I can still edit this. I like blue color, because you can edit your material. Don't worry be careful when you change value. Sometimes Blender crashes. Oh, this is proper color for our car. And that's it. Welcome to my second video tutorial. In third video tutorial we will be focusing on other parts, front, back, because I have blueprint for back. Back will be a little bit difficult, but what I do, I want to create back of the car from first image.